welcome to yet another tutorials for learning the paintbrush. So last times we have seen many of these things which we call as the palette tools, and we have learned how to do things like this and this. I'm just joking, it's basically just removing the things from the screen. So another thing which I wanted to share with you, that the way you should be able to do it is basically trying the different types of the brush. Like for example, you have a brush and you wanted to do something creative like this, like what I'm doing right now. So you can always try the different types of brush to see how you can go. So you see this brush is behaving like an ink. So once the ink is gone, that's it, the game is over. So you can see it's such a beautiful brush. Then you can see this is a spray. Then you have this something like which we have already seen. Now this is something like a marker or the dark sprayer that you can see over here. And then you can have this one like a pen, which is like a wax pen maybe. And then you can go ahead and see over here it's like a simple transparent markings over here. And then this is the last one over here, is just about a simple marker. It's like, hey, just giving a gaze of paint on the page. So somehow you just need to go ahead and just click few buttons and practice. That's the only way to actually go through all the things. So because my screen is not too much of dirt, and so I'm just gonna create a new one and we're gonna discard the existing one. So say just don't save it over here maybe. And then let me go ahead and see a few more menus today. Yes, so let me type something over here. So just I will going to type that site my new project over here, and then I'm going to just go ahead and select all the things. I'm going to increase some size to 72, but because it does not fit in my screen, I just have to go ahead and increase the screen size so I can see the new window with high resolution. And then you can actually go and see to resize. Yes, so basically it is asking me to resize, and I'm going to put it 90 and see what happens. So basically it is changing the size of canvas, which anyway I can do it from here as well. So as you can see, canvas is my work area where I can do whatever I want, which I'm actually doing. So resizing is the way to do it. And I can actually rotate it as well. Wow, that is nice. I'm just going to go ahead and click it over here. So 90 90 90 90 makes it 360, and I can have my images 360-degree captured. So we have learned about these tools, and then we can go and see what is there in the view. Oh, we have zoom in, and then we have zoom out. So you can make it this much small, and then you can make it this much big. So that is awesome, I think. And you can also say that, okay, I don't want to not zoom out or zoom in, I just want to see the original size, maybe 100% the way it is. So you can click that. Then you can click for the ruler. So just once you click it, you can see these two scales on the left and right hand side. And then you can also set the margin where you want it to be. So this is how the rulers work. Guidelines is basically, it will give you the guidelines if you want to do a very fine tuning of your work, painting, or the words that you're writing. You can always do that. You can always click on the full screen button just to see how it looks like. Then what else do we have here? Yes, we have edit color buttons. What does the edit color button do is basically you can select one of the color from the multiple options that you have over here, and then choose them to fill into your drawings or your text over here. So you can do whatever you want with them. And then there is one more button over here called Paint 3D. So this is basically a new application that is shipped with Windows 10 that I can see, and right now it is loading. And you can see there are various options here. So I'm going to say start. I hope this doesn't take much time because my laptop is not optimized for doing some 3D graphics work, but let's hope that it will still be faster and see what happens. Maybe it's just taking too much of time there, so yeah, we will cover this next time, and we can't do it at the moment. We try again later. Okay, I understand your point. Because of the laptop capacity, it won't allow me. So that's all for today's session, my friends. We will be back with another tool. So till that time, I would hope that you would go ahead and explore a few more options which is present over here, and do more things, and try to explore a bit of more about this tool and what we call as a paintbrush. And this is how we say bye bye, and I see you soon.